Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix keeps overheating in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, turn off unused features. Open settings, search features. Now click on useful features. Again, click on features. And here you will see allow auto update video to play video assistant. And if you want to turn off unused features, then turn off these buttons. After turning off these buttons, turn off unused features from your phone. Now go back. After that, put unused app to sleeps. Open settings, scroll down, click on battery, click on background usage limits. Here you will see put unused app to sleep. And if you want to turn on, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off, then turn off this button. By this button you can enable or disable put unused app to sleep. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps overheating in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.